Well, good afternoon everyone, welcome to Perth Zoo and our elephant demonstration. My name's Steve. The zookeepers in here working with the elephants today is Julian and Claire. So I will introduce the elephants to you if someone stays with us. I'll introduce Permai first, and she's the one that's closest here. Permai's about 21 years of age. She came to the zoo in 1992. She came across from Malaysia with our male elephant, which is down in the far exhibit. And Permai's about 3.5 tonne in weight. Right, the far elephant that's coming from the back of the exhibit up there with Claire. Her name's Trish. I don't know if any of you guys have been in Perth for